Hello children, Sai Ram. Today in English period we are going to study composition. Children, you remember so far we have covered our 4 compositions: paragraph writing, dialogue writing, then we have seen the informal letter writing and picture composition. So today we are going to study a new type of composition, that is character sketch. Okay, it's a form of composition. Children, can you see some pictures I have put on the slide? These are the pictures of famous personalities, right? Shivaji Maharaj, Mother Teresa, APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi. There are many people, those who are famous for their work, isn't it? So we are going to begin our lesson by understanding that a character is a person or animal in a story. Then character traits are words used to describe a character. Okay, and they are usually in the form of adjectives. Now let us see what it is. What is a character sketch? Children, character sketch creates a colorful and vivid picture of what someone is like. So, whatever personality we have chosen for our character sketch, so describing that means to create a colorful and vivid picture of that, of what someone is like. So, usually which topics we select? What are the possible topics for character sketch? The first is someone you know. It can be a person, someone you know. Then a person in history. We can write a character sketch on any person from the history. Then a story character. Okay? When we read or see the story, there are different characters. So we can write the character sketch on any particular character of that story. So it can be a story character or a person in history or someone you know. These are the possible topics while writing the characters. Now, writing about a character, whether fictional or real, involves nothing but analyzing a characters. So children, while writing the character sketch, you have to remember that whether the character is fictional or real. Okay, so you should involve nothing but you have to analyze the characters. What we are going to analyze the characters? First thing is personality. We analyze the personality of that particular character. Then actions. What actions he did? What is the speciality? Then thoughts and feelings. What he thinks, how he feels. And then motives. So these 4 things we have to remember when we write a character sketch. So writing about a character, whether fictional or real. Now the pictures which I put on the first slide, that was the picture of Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam. These are the real characters. But the fictional characters means the characters which are imaginary. Like the Frozen, Elsa, isn't it? Then Doraemon. These are all the fictional characters. So whenever we write something about them, we write the character sketch about them. It involves their personality, how do they look, then actions, thoughts and feelings, and motives. Now, today we are going to write a character sketch. So these things we have to remember in mind. Now what points we have to remember? Let's see. First thing, personality. Second, physical appearance and name. You have to mention the name of which character you are writing. Then his physical appearance. How does he look? Then actions, as I discussed with you in the previous slide. Then his choices, his likes, dislikes, and how it affected in his entire life. Then speech, thoughts and feelings. So these all things we'll try to include when we write the character sketch of any fictional or real character.
Yes, come on, open your composition notebooks, children. Fill the index first. We have covered 4 compositions so far. Now on 5th number, add character sketch and write down today's date. On the left hand side of your notebook, on that page, write down the question, write a character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Try to write in good handwriting. Read aloud while writing. Write a character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Done? Great. Now on your right hand side page, give the heading. Write there number 5, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is the heading of our character sketch. Number 5, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And then we'll start writing. Leave a line. Start touching to the margin. Check the spellings. Make a habit of reading it aloud while writing. You can start writing, children. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and a true warrior. He was the founder of Maratha Empire in India. He lived for his people and fought against injustice. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th Feb 1630 to Mother Jizabai and Father Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He won Torna Fort at the age of 16 and then he won many more forts one by one. Remember, children, we are continuing writing the character sketch on the right hand side of the notebook only. Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a hero who brought most of India together against the Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj died on 3rd April 1680 at Raigad Fort. If he would have lived few more years, then our nation would have seen more prosperous days. So, this way we have written the character sketch of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, children, let's recall what we learned today. First, we have seen what is a character sketch. Yes, what is a character sketch? It is nothing but the colorful, vivid description of a particular personality. Then we studied the steps to be followed, and at the end we have seen example of the character sketch of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So this is what all about character sketch. Let's stop here, children. Sai Ram.